In this demonstration, I'll describe the steps involved with removing soft tissue from the posterior aspect of the residual limb. First thing we want to do is just rotate the model around to the medial side of the model, and we want to stay behind the tibial shaft. Okay. The same is true on the lateral side of the limb. So we want to stay behind the fibular shaft when removing soft tissue. All our work is done for the most part, other than adding buildups to the distal tibia and the head of the fibula. So now removing soft tissue, we want to stay behind the bones. So I have my tool width set up at 1 1/8 inches. We go bigger if you want to remove material quicker, but I'm going to leave it at about 1 1/8 inches, fixed depth, and I'm just going to remove it 1/8 of an inch. And we actually do this twice, but I've already done it once. So I'm just going to go around my second time, and I'm going to start below the flare, and again stay behind the shaft of the tibia, and just remove material. Go in the field and rotate the model around. And I'm not going to go across the distal end on the second time. Again, just removing, just so that I can get my model to the circumferences I want. And staying behind the fibular shaft. Definitely staying behind the fibula. Then I have a 2-inch blend. I'm just going to blend this together. Again, blending as quickly as I can so I don't add back any more material than I have to. Straighten this out, rotate it back to the other side, and blend these areas. Again, when you're done with this, go back, check your circumferences one more time. And we're done. Oops, spin that around to the front again. And that's how you do your removal of just the soft tissue. And we are finished with that modification.